everybody. Welcome to the Journey to 1 Million, man. Hosted by your boy, Freddie Two Hand, man. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Yeah. As y'all see, I'm teaching you something right off the bat. You got to be able to support yourself, man, when you're chasing after your dreams and you're chasing after your aspirations, because sometimes it's going to be nobody around, man. And then, like, who's going to cheer for you? Like, and if you always need that outside applause to keep pushing forward, then you're going to always stay stuck. So, man, if you can't cheer for yourself, find a way to do it. You know what I mean? Turn up, baby. So, this is the Journey to 1 Million. What my plan here is, so first let's get some insight. How many times have you turned around and looked online and you see all these get rich quick schemes, these overnight successes, and you put your faith into them, you put your finances into them, you start investing in these things, and then over and over you find them not working out for you, and then you just going further and further down a hole, wondering like, dang, is my dreams ever going to be possible? And we're not even going to worry about if you're looking for a quick fix or if you was trying to manipulate the system. That's all irrelevant. The point that I want to make here is, like, I know for myself, I want to be a millionaire. That isn't even like a question about it, man. Y'all hear me? I want to be a millionaire. And guess what? I'm going to be a millionaire. You know what I'm saying? Cash that ish in. You feel me? And y'all can also notice I don't really like to curse. But overall though, like, yeah, it's so much out here, man, that I decided I want to bring everybody on my journey to my first $1 million, okay? Now, I do have foundational things already set up. I'm not going to lie. So this isn't a 0 to a 1 million. And we could dive into finances at another time. But just for like speculation so you can understand where I'm at. And also I'm going to explain like how I like feel like people should operate when it comes to starting to invest in their dreams. Because I mean, I just don't know, like when people be like it's 0, I don't understand how you can start from scratch. Because to even watch this video, like, you got to be connected to Wi-Fi somewhere. I mean, you got to have a phone. You got to have something that does cost money. So I don't know how a person starts with 0. You know, I mean, I guess you could be watching this video over someone's shoulder on their phone, but y'all get my point. You know what I mean? And so one of the big things I want to do is show the formula. Like, it's going to be my formula personally, but the formula of the hard work, but also the mindset behind like that to get to this 1 million, like the mindset, the successes, the failures, you feel me? Like the relationship things that I might be thinking about at the time, my personal self-growth, obstacles I'm going to face, like, and I plan on doing this week by week. Like, so my plan is to put out 5 videos a week, breaking down different categories of just like my mindset, things going, like everything I just covered. Actually, I ain't about to repeat all that. And I hope that while I'm also growing and developing and getting towards this place, that while you following this journey, like whatever you got aligned for yourself, you're doing the same thing. So that way, hey, when I get to that point, you turn around and might be there too, you know, and it's going to be a long journey. I mean, we actually don't know how fast or quick I'm going to get there, you know, but at the end of the day, I know it's a process. You feel me? And I try to look at building wealth is not overnight, man. It's long term. And I think that's one of the things that it was too much of that crypto stuff and all those other things during the pandemic when it was at its height. That thing started to skew people's mindsets around like what actual success can look like. Now, if you was one of the people that won during that time, congrats to you, especially if you was on that Dodge coin and you was there from the beginning and you got out when it got to 75 cents. Oh, you probably lit. It definitely made plenty of millionaires, but like, we all know that a lot of those things are just Ponzi schemes. I mean, it's all coming out now. Was it like XLR the other day? All them celebrities and those pump and dump schemes. I'm only using crypto, but y'all get my point. That's what I mean about these overnight success schemes. And so, like, for me, nah, we're going to do this from the ground up. It's going to be a lot of work, all right? And it's going to be a lot of shifts, but I want to make sure that I'm providing my journey along with, you know, being able to provide my insight on the things that's going to happen on the journey there, man. So if that sounds like something that you want to be a part of, that you want to sit back and be like, man, you know, I've been trying to get to $1 million too, and so I want to see another person's like struggles or their successes or how do they view like other things, then I will be your guide, okay? So welcome to this journey with me, man. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like, hope you enjoy it, man. And like I said, we're going week by week and we not stopping. You feel me? Like that, week by week until we hit that first $1 million, all right? So welcome to the journey.